and has kind of like armored plating on the sides, and that's called a fruit-salt catfish. We also have the red-tail catfish. That one is black with a little bit of white striping on either side of its body, and it's got a little bit of red at the end of its tail. So best place to see those catfish and the other fish species, besides the manatees, is from underwater, but you might be able to see a little bit of them from up here. Now the manatees are the blue-gray large marine mammals you see in here. All are female. We have Charlotte, our largest one, weighing in at 2,500 pounds. And the other two are smaller than her. And there's Oakley and Sarah. And they were all rescued because they were orphaned as young calves. And a lot of the times when these animals are rescued, we may not know what caused the injury or why it was orphaned. So they've basically grown up here, and there's every possibility, we hope, that they will be released back out into their natural habitat, which of course is around here in Florida. They're going to be found in warm water temperatures. About the coldest they can withstand is 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is I think about 20 degrees Celsius, something like that. So anyway, they can be in warmer waters, primarily shallow areas like estuaries, bays, lagoons, and wetlands for sure. So the shallow areas are the ones where they're going to be found. If you have been to Homosassa Springs, Crystal River Springs, those are two very popular areas where a lot of our gas station locals will go to try and get very close to a manatee. But keep in mind that as a marine mammal and an endangered species, marine mammals are protected in U.S. waters. So if you happen to go to one of those areas where you can get up close and personal to a manatee or other marine mammal, just remember that they are protected. 150 feet, 48 meters is as close as you can come to any marine mammal, particularly
don't look real.
Endangered, like the Florida manatees.
So don't look real.
So unless you go on a special tour that is operated by a company that has permission by the government to be able to take out people close to where the manatees can be found, you probably don't want to be on your own and get too close to the manatees, because that is actually illegal. And if you have any questions about any of the animals in the park, please don't hesitate to come up and ask me, or you can ask any of my fellow co-workers. We're all wearing the same light blue shirt, and we have a name tag. Now, we may look like other members, team members, like operations. So if you're not quite sure, just come up and ask us. We do an education, and they'll say yes, and then you can ask some questions about any of the animals in the park. And just remember, if you want to go see these animals from below, the exit is up here, but not the entrance. So if you want to go down to see them from underwater where it's nice and cool, you're going to head towards the gift shop when you're ready, go around it, and on the other side is the entrance to Turtle Trek. But up here, you can spend as much time as you want, but in order to see them from below, you have to go through the entrance and not through the exit. Don't forget, we